Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Klink Airdrop final eligibility check. You need to do this right away if you want to be eligible. They have given us their airdrop eligibility criteria, and the 4 requirements is live now. So you need to make sure that you have met the criteria if you want to claim your airdrop. So right now we're going to look at the latest update. But before we dive in, if you're here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, and also turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp and Telegram group for high value content. So let's look at the latest update today. They say airdrop season 1. Are you already eligible? Are you already eligible? Look at it. All tasks are now live. Make sure you have ticked every box to claim your share. Don't leave rewards on the table. You do see that? So all the 4 airdrop eligibility criteria, they are all live. You have to know the first one is mini app linked to mobile app. You need to link your Telegram app to your mobile app. And the second requirement is offered future earning, which will give you at least minimum of $1. And the third one is active in the last 60 days before TGE. The fourth requirement is ERC20 based wallet address provided before TGE. I've already made a video on how to submit your ERC20 based wallet on Trust Wallet, so you can watch my previous video, you will get it. So make sure that you have met the 4 airdrop requirements so that you can claim your airdrop. So these are the featured offers. You can now earn USDT straight to your Trust Wallet by completing offers and playing games. It's all about completing the offers and playing games. So do well to do it. Now let me do the daily checking, then you claim. So if you go to the task session, you have a lot of tasks to do. If you have not been doing your tasks, you join their community social tasks. This is where I have a lot of tasks to do. And the partners, I have a lot in partners, so, and the social tasks. So do it and earn reward. So if you go to airdrop session, I have 26 tasks remaining to start mining. Once I end this video, I will do them so that I can start mining. So make sure that you're active on these boats. Link your wallet to your app if you have not. Do the featured offer. Link your ERC20 based network. And the last one is what? To be active for 60 days. So make sure you do this so that you qualify for the airdrop. I believe you have got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video.